Good afternoon, YouTubers. Tsquare with Tsquare Talk. So we got a package to open today. I wasn't going to do a package opening today only because I'm personally running out of packages to open, except this package right here was actually somebody else's. So we're going to open that up and then I got to give it back to him, unfortunately. I'm curious to see what he got, though. I know he gets a lot of similar stuff like I get. The packages from Universal Coin and Bullion. And while we're opening this up, I'm going to talk a little bit about, I guess, people's perception on what silver can and can't really do. And the reason this is coming up, so I've been trying to work a deal out with somebody for a little while now on a 100-ounce bar of silver. And he has this belief, so he's not really a big silver fan. He bought the silver because it was a deal. This was back like 15 years ago, 20 years ago. Silver wasn't that expensive. It was a 100-ounce bar. And, so he got it. And, he's happy with it. And, that was it. And he just has it kind of sitting in a drawer. He doesn't really believe in what's going on with silver. And I'm looking at that. I just looked at the invoice, but it doesn't look the same as what I usually get, so I'm kind of wondering here. Okay, they're just kind of mixed in there a little bit. And I know he orders from Chris, so let me just verify that real quick, that is. Okay, yep. So this package is from Chris at Universal Coin and Bullion. We're going to pull them all out. We'll take a look. And as you can see, it's not just me that they treat to these. A lot of customers, they give these really cool tokens or what would be the proper term for this? Challenge coins, I guess, would be the proper term. So they give a lot of these away. So we'll put that there and then bust that. And we'll take a look and see what he got, though. I mean, I see he should have a combined total of 12 ounces. So looks like what he's got. So let's take a look here. So back to, though, before we get too much looking into this, so he's got this 100-ounce bar. It's just sitting in his desk drawer at his house. And I asked him if he wanted to sell it a while back, and each time I see him, he wonders why I go up like $100 extra. He said, when you first asked me if I wanted to sell it, you offered me a couple grand for it. Then 21, then 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And he said his neighbor, ironically, offered him $3 grand for it. And he said, I don't get that. Silver's only $24 an ounce. I said, so an ounce of silver may be $24. Yes, that is true. But that is the spot price. That's a paper price. If you want a sheet of paper that says you own an ounce of silver, well then yeah, you'll probably pay $24 for it. If you want physical silver, you're going to pay more for that. And people realize that. And some people want to do person-to-person sales when it comes to silver because they just worry about big companies saving their data, selling their data, canceling their purchases. Look what's going on right now. So I had a comment the other day. I wasn't even aware of this, that AppMax canceled a whole bunch of orders on the 2-ounce. They said they had a mix-up. Ironically, when silver jumped from 20 to 22, they had a mix-up, and unfortunately, they had to refund everybody their money back. I said, oh, great. So you just bought your silver and now it's worth a lot more and you want to refund my money. I'd be like, heck no. I want something in comparison. Or more people are going to start getting on their case and they'll just keep upsetting people. But right now, the demand is so high, it really probably doesn't matter if your company gets, you get mad at a certain company because there's a million people out there buying. But back to that silver story, that silver bar. So he had asked me today, he said, I've never been offered $3 grand for it. That's a lot of money. What is up with this? And I said, if I were you, I would sell it. And he goes, I thought you liked it. I said, I do. I like it. I like it because it's 100 ounces of silver. You can get a $3,000 in cash for 100 ounces of silver. I would turn it in, get rid of it, and then I would go and I would buy some 10-ounce bars. And I'd probably be able to buy, with $3,000, probably be able to buy close to 11 or 12. I said, and at the end of the day, you got 10% more ounces. He goes, I don't know if I want to sell it because I know I've got other silver items in my draw. And I said, well, that's up to you. I said, my opinion, if you have an opportunity to sell something with a high premium, sell it and then get something with a lower premium. You know, maybe not as low as 40% silver. Some of y'all know the joke behind that. With me, for a while, I loved 40% silver. I still kind of like it, but I'm disappointed because I messed up recently and cashed a bunch of silver, junk silver in on accident when I was cleaning out my house and getting everything kind of in order so I can move. I happened to basically package up all my junk, like what I thought was junk change, and somehow I accidentally shuffled in some of my junk silver that I keep at my house in case there's an emergency. I don't want to get too much into that story because, you know, I take a lot of hits. I took a lot of hits on that video the other day. People like, dude, people that use a bank are morons. He's slow. He's this and that. And I take, you know, I don't delete comments. You won't see me ever delete a comment no matter how bad the comment is. But, you know, so, but with that being said, you know, people don't understand really about silver. I remember when silver plunged to $11 during the whole cough, cough. I had a friend call me up and say, okay, I want to buy now at $11. I said, no one's selling. No one is selling at $11. You think they would just give that stuff away? They know how demand. They know it can't be $11. But yet people don't understand what really is going on with silver. The truth of the matter is everything is going up, guys. Now we have them cutting 1.5 million barrels of oil a day from OPEC. How do you think that's going to affect our oil price, our gas prices? It's going to raise them. Well, that's also going to raise the price of mining. It's going to up mining costs. It's going to up production costs. Stuff will continue to go up. And as it continues to go up, it only makes sense that silver and gold is going to go up. So with that being said, I think that the sky is going to be the limit when it comes to silver and gold. Even if the dollar doesn't collapse, I think we're going to continue to see silver go up. But I think there's a lot of panic right now around the dollar. A lot of people getting scared of what's going on. Now you got Mexico wanting to join the BRICS nations. The fact that Mexico, of all places, wanted to join them, Japan. I mean, look how much treasury notes, bonds that Japan has. Look how many they're holding. And they want to join them? I mean, come on. So we're starting to see a trend of, unfortunately, de-dollarization. And as this continues, I think that will drive silver up higher. Will that be good? I mean, it'll be good for people that are holding silver. It'll be bad for the world. I think the world is going to be in a hectic place. It's going to get more expensive. It's getting harder and harder to find people that are selling silver at a good price. I try to always pick it up when I see friends that are selling it, especially when you can pick it up around spot price. That's a good opportunity. You know, I've gone to pawn shops before and seen what they would offer me for stuff, and they really want to beat you up. So with that being said, I got to get this back to a friend of mine. So let's take a look at what he got. We got a Trump round. We got a king. I'm hoping he's got some queens in here. I don't know. Another king. Another king. Ugh. Another Trump. So that's a nice one. These Trump ones, if you haven't seen these yet, let's zoom in a little bit. So Trump 2023, he just left Mar-a-Lago today. He can turn himself in tomorrow. And I think tomorrow night he's going to be giving a talk in Florida. So we'll see how that plays out. We got a NRA, kind of like the challenge coin that you just seen over here, except this one they give away for free. This one you got to buy. This is silver. So who don't like silver? NRA logo on the front. Gold, silver, and lead on the back. Same thing. Another one of them there. Another Britannia. King. Oh, bad milk spotting too. You can see that milk spot really good right there. It looks like someone put their finger right on it. So he's got 5 kings. Darn. I'm hoping he got a queen. Maybe. Oh, I guess he got one queen. Must have been towards the end when they were really limiting the queens because they were selling out, and there it is. So a lot of those got sold out. And then the Don't Tread on Me. So he got some nice stuff. I think whenever people pick up silver, I think they've done well. He only got 12 ounces. Not really a ton, but still, it all adds up, and it really does. If you guys didn't see my video before about silver and how quick it adds up, I tell people, hey, if money's tight, put a little bit into it. Not everybody can afford a lot. I have my times where I can't afford like nothing, but I try to at least put a small order in. And that's the key. It's consistency. You look back in Roman time when a silver dime, literally, you would get a silver, basically they called it a denarius, a silver denarius, which was about the size of a silver dime, to work in the field all day. Can you imagine working in the field all day today for $2? Because that's about what a silver dime is right now. It'd be discouraging. And I think as people start to realize what's going on, more people are going to put into money. It's going to drive the price of silver up. It's going to cause the dollar to continue to fall. And as more people are getting out of the dollar and into other assets, and then at that point, that's it. It's game over. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was not a sponsored video from like Universal Coin and Bullion. I buy from them because I like them, and I tell a lot of my friends where I buy from, and then they buy from them. And in this case, this is a really good friend of mine that got this, so he let me open up the package and said, I know what's in there. You got the invoice in there, so I know what's in there, and I'll know. So don't worry about it. Take it and bring it home and open it and give it back to me that night. So nice little thing we got here. Pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again on Tsquare Talk. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment because I love to hear y'all's comments. Take care, everybody. Have a great night. Bye-bye.